Hello and welcome to Big Jules Tech here in 2021. First of all, I just want to say a massive Happy New Year to everybody and thank you so much for clicking on the thumbnail to watch this video. Now, as you can see from the title, this isn't going to be a how-to in 2021 about how to grow a YouTube channel. It's just a bit of a social experiment that I wanted to conduct in 2021. Is it still viable to have and grow a YouTube channel? Well, as of the time of filming this, I have 95 subscribers. So the 1st of January 2021, I have 95 subscribers. And I want to say a massive thank you to those 95 people for subscribing to the channel and watching my content. Now, what I want to see is, can a YouTube channel in 2021 grow? Now, my thought process behind this was, I've spent the last couple of weeks looking at Sony A7Cs and A7S3s and A7 IIIs and all the really good kit for YouTube. And it got me thinking, do you actually need all the top gear to start a channel in 2021? And is it still going to work in 2021? All the content creators that started years ago, kudos to you. They've got millions of subscribers and they've done really, really well. But did they corner the market at the right time to grow the channel? Or is it just because people watch because they're enthralled and they like the content or they're getting something from it? I'm not sure. So that's what I'm wanting to do in this. I'm wanting to have a bit of a social experiment. Can you grow a YouTube channel in 2021? So hopefully you're going to help me answer those questions. And what I would like is if you could share this video if it's helpful, and also I want to see how I grow it. So obviously on the 1st of January 2021, 95 subscribers. So this is the milestone. This is the line in the sand where we're starting. What I've done is I've gone out and bought a YouTube studio, or what's otherwise known as a 10-foot by 8-foot shed. Now, don't tell the other half, hopefully she's not watching this, but the old shed that you can probably just about see in the corner was meant to be made redundant to make way for this one. However, what I want to do is I want to just convert the back of that, a little bit of lighting, and see if I can make that into something that will work as a YouTube studio. So what my goal is for this channel at the moment in this little series is to see how it can go on a budget. So I'm currently shooting this on my iPhone, which is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which I know is not a cheap piece of kit, however, good quality and it gives you really good video. The lav, I've bought a Zoom audio recorder to try and make the sound a little bit better. But basically, apart from the price of the phone, for £100, I've set this up and started recording from it. And that's how I want to see if this channel can grow by this. I want to add a little bit of lighting. I want to bring you on my journey and to grow the channel and see how it progresses. Obviously there'll be technology stuff in there, I'm hoping, some reviews, some bits and pieces, and we'll see how we get on. But there might just be a little bit of waffle like this from time to time. This has taken me 3 days to build. I did put it up, the majority of it on my own with the help from Karina. Just helping with bits and pieces. So I want to see if we can turn that into something and make this channel grow. So like I say, line in the sand, 2021. 2020, let's be fair, has been quite a poor year for everybody, I would suggest, and hopefully everybody's safe and well now, and everything's going to change for 2021 and get back to a bit of normality. However, whilst we've got a bit of time at home, I thought I would see if I can, like I say, have this social experiment, line in the sand, and see where I can go from here. So yeah, please join me. Please see how this progresses. Part 2 of this sort of, if you like, mini-series startup bit that I'm doing is going to be a quick look around inside there, show you where I'm starting from, and then see where we grow from there. So thank you so much for watching. Like I say, it's just a quick one today, and I'll hopefully catch you in the next one. So thanks very much. See you soon.